Hi everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, and this is another edition of Hey Bartender in a really sunny day here in San Diego. And you know, for all the people that we work in the industry, we always come across with one of those very demanding guests, people that they don't hear any reasons, people that use one certain thing and you're like, okay, this is gonna be the day. So hey, sometimes you gotta go with the flow and you have to please everybody. So here we go. Today we're gonna be making the watermelon mojito. Let me show you how it's done here in Hey Bartender. All right, so what is a watermelon mojito? Well, let me show you first, okay? Hey ladies, let me introduce you to my guest. What is your name?
Hi, I'm Valerie. I'm Alessandra.
All right, so this is the demanding ladies that they've been asking for something. So what do you girls want to drink today?
Watermelon. Something with watermelon.
That'll be yummy. All right. So about it, we're going to be doing something nice and refreshing for you girls, all right? And hopefully, well, Anna is going to be okay having a cocktail.
Anna.
I know, it's Anna. That's what I said. All right. So let's put Anna down and let's start something really nice and very simple that is going to please everybody, all right? So come on, baby. So how are we going to do this guy? Very simple. First thing that we're going to be needing is watermelon, obviously. So Alessandra, please. This is actually 3 cups of frozen watermelon. Let's put them inside, mama. Very good. Put them over there. All right. So then what you're going to need, it is approximately the juice of 3 lemons. Oh, you got it over there. All right. Valerie, please put it on top. And let's make sure that you strain this guy, getting all the pulp and getting all the actual seeds away from it.
That's looking yummy.
I know, just wait until actually we finish it, baby. All right, also we're gonna need 6 mint leaves. So Alessandra, please, put it on top. Cool, and now it's Daddy's turn. For this case, 2 cocktails to 3 cocktails approximately. What you're gonna need is 3/4 of an ounce to 1 ounce of simple syrup, or if you want to put a little bit more flavor, you can do agave nectar. Okay, crush ice. If the watermelon happens to be very, very, very frozen, you're not gonna need any ice, but in this case, I didn't have the proper time to get it completely frozen, so I added just a little bit of crushed ice to make it a little bit slushy. Let's put them in the blender. Here we go. We got our blend. Now, we're gonna proceed to serve it. Make sure that the actual blend is very, very, very well done. That way you're not gonna be dealing with like chunks of the actual mint. For the garnish, you guys, we're gonna put
Can I put?
lime oil, please. You're gonna put a little bit of a mint leaf. So wait, you gotta do this. Smell it? Okay, put them in there. All right, right next to your lime. Right next to your lime.
Next to here?
All the way in. Okay. And a couple of straws. All right, ladies, and there you have it, you guys. This is a watermelon mojito. But hey, if mommy and daddy, just like my lovely wife is behind the camera right there, wants to spike it up, just add rum. And everybody happy. Cheers, ladies. Go for it. Cheers. You're supposed to cheers with your sister.
Yummy.
Yummy. See you next time.